Hello students, today in our video we will see about the sexual reproduction in the human beings, and the first part of the topic is the male reproductive system of the human. In the last video we have learned about the sexual reproduction in the plants. So today we will go through the male reproductive system of the human. Generally this is the diagram of male reproductive system. It consists of urinary bladder. A protuberance of the vesicles is extended from the urinary bladder, then it divides into these particular tubes like structures and extended till the penis. Okay, now this is the this particular tube like structure is the urinogenital duct. It is the urinogenital duct. It is covered with the some muscular sheaths, and the tip of this urinogenital duct is called as the glans penis, and this whole structure is known as the penis. This whole structure is known as the penis, which is outside the body, and the tip of the penis is known as the glans penis. Okay, so here this urinogenital duct is covered with the prostate gland. This black shade diagram is known as the prostate gland. These are the seminal vesicles. These are the seminal vesicles. These are the urinary duct came from the kidney to the urinary bladder, and this is the ejaculating duct. This is the ejaculatory duct. See, this is the ejaculatory duct, and this is the testis. It is the scrotum. It is scrotum. Okay, it is scrotum. Inside the scrotum there is a testis which is covered with the epididymis, vasa efferentia and rete testis. Okay, these are the testes. A pair of testes is present in the scrotum. Now here this is the seminal vesicle. It is a Cowper's gland. It is Cowper's gland. This is urinogenital duct. Here it is the vasa differentia. Also there is vasa efferentia inside the testis, and this is the scrotum. So these are the different parts of the male reproductive system. Remember my friends that scrotum is present outside the body of the human beings. Scrotum is present outside the body of the human being, so that it can maintain the temperature of the testis, which is the most important part of the male reproductive system, because it produces sperms. It produces sperms, and because of sperms only the reproduction process will be carried out. Now in that scrotum is just like a pouch like structure. It is pouch like structure, and in that scrotum a pair of testes is present. A pair of testes is present. This testis is generally divided into seminiferous tubules. The testes are divided into seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules are again subdivided into germinal layers, and this germinal epithelium of the testis produces sperms by the process of meiosis. These germinal layers, that is germinal epithelial of the testis, produces sperms by the process of meiosis. Okay, now these produced sperms are pushed towards the seminiferous tubules. These sperms push towards the seminiferous tubules. Means from testes these sperms are pushed towards the seminiferous tubule inside the testis. Then from seminiferous tubules it is pushed towards the testes. It is pushed towards the testes. From testes it is pushed upward to the rete testis and vasa efferentia. Rete testis and vasa efferentia. From vasa efferentia it is pushed to the epididymis. It is pushed towards the epididymis. From epididymis these sperms gets diverted to the vasa differentia. Means from here, from the scrotum, then testis, rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, then vasa differentia. These sperms are now in the vasa differentia. From vasa differentia these sperms enters into the ejaculatory duct. These sperms enter into the ejaculatory duct, and from ejaculatory duct these sperms enter into the urinogenital duct. From ejaculatory duct these sperms enter into the urinogenital duct, and from urinogenital duct it comes into the penis and outside the body. Means during the reproduction, during the coitus, into the vagina of the female. Okay, so this is all the way of the sperms. I repeat, germinal epithelium of the tubules will produce the sperms by the process of meiosis. Then that sperms will push towards the seminiferous tubules. From seminiferous tubules, it goes to the testis. From testis, it goes to the retetestis. Then vasa efferentia, epididymis, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, urinogenital duct, penis, and outside the body. Okay, so this is the way of the sperm. So this is all about the male reproductive system. Now here the interesting facts are, this epididymis is about 6 meter. This epididymis is about 6 meter, and a single sperm has to travel lots of distance, means near about 6 meter distance from the male body to go outside the body. For this purpose, a sperm requires lots of energy, and for that energy requirement, the semen is consist of the fructose. Semen is consisting of fructose. Now, how these semen is formed? When these sperms are traveling from the testis to the ejaculatory duct, at the every level, these sperms get mature. These sperms get mature step by step. These seminiferous tubules secrete their secretions into the ejaculatory duct, and these prostate gland and Cowper's gland secrete their secretions into urinogenital duct. And in this way, whatever the semen is there, that semen is consists of sperms from the testis, secretions from the seminiferous tubules, and the seminiferous vesicle, and the secretions from the Cowper's gland and prostate gland. So in this way, this male reproductive system works, and during the mating with the female, these sperms enter to the vagina of the female for the further process. Okay, so in this way, the male reproductive system we have seen today. This is a simple structure of the sperm. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this learning. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.